Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to be doing the monthly fire alarm testing for the month of September. If you haven't already, make sure to smash that subscribe button down below and drop a like. I do want to really quick mention that we finally put the conduit in for this part of the fire alarm project over here. It looks way better and it looks a lot cleaner. And I will be showing you guys this more later on in the video when we test this. Alright, up first we're going to test this smoke and CO detector. We haven't tested this one in a while, so let's go ahead and give it a test. Fire. Warning, carbon monoxide. Alright, and this one's good to go. This one is a regular old smoke detector. What? There we go. Alright, another one good to go. And for those of you wondering if I'm going to test this one, yes, I will, but it will be later on the video because I'm saving the best for last. And this is another smoke detector. If you haven't caught on by now, this building, well, the building that I test has, give or take, about 5 or 6 detectors that include smoke and CO, and about 4 or 5 pull stations. Alright, and we've got another one good to go. Alright, and here is our last smoke detector, and then we've got one more 2-in-1 detector, aka a smoke and carbon monoxide detector. Alright, we've got another one that is good to go. Alright, now we're going to test our final smoke and CO detector. This one is newer than all the other ones. We replaced this about a year ago. If you follow me on my TikTok page, I posted about that. If you don't follow me on my TikTok page, go ahead and click the link that is in my bio. I post some content on there sometimes. It depends, but go ahead and follow me on there if you haven't already. But the thing with this one is that it's a bit trickier to press the button. So as you can see, I'm going to use the tester that is round, and compared to the other side that is flat. So we'll see if I can get it on the first attempt here. Alright, got it. Fire. Warning, carbon monoxide. Alright, now it's good to go. And we'll go ahead and just test the security system fire alarm for this building while we're at it. disarmed. Now I'm going to test the main commercial fire alarm system for this building using this pull station. There is another pull station that I could pull, but we're going to go with this one, especially because in the video, I posted a video recently of me building and adding this fire alarm system. I did end up switching. I switched one that was already here out with this one, obvious, because I like the push and pull down to the dual action. I like them more than the single action. I don't know why, but just don't call me on that. We're just gonna go ahead and test it in 3, 2, 1. And I did go ahead and reset the system at the control panel. And for those of you that are wondering, this is what the other pull station looks like. Not a huge fan of it. Might be because it's just single action, but I will be changing this one out in the future for a dual action. That is going to be it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, drop a like down below and consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. I also have a TikTok page which you can go follow. Hopefully they don't ban TikTok, so we'll see. But in here, I'll probably be posting more main content on here if they get banned. But if you guys do want to see more on this whole project and everything that I'm working on, yes, I'm still working on it. Not this part specifically, but other parts behind the scenes, which you'll be seeing later on throughout a couple of months. But let me know what else you guys want to see. I was thinking about making a video for this, doing the conduit, but then I thought that it's probably not going to be that interesting. It's probably going to be a bit boring considering the fact that it's, as you can see on the wall, about only 38 inches of conduit that I'd be putting on. So I didn't make a video. I can, if you want, I can post a video of the steps, what I did to put this on here, but yeah, I didn't want to make a video. I figured it'd probably not even get that many views, so yeah. I am going to see you guys on the next one. I will be posting more. I'll try to post more. And this is also the first test we've done in a while, so I'm super happy I got that done. I started back up school, so I might not be able to post that much as I want to, but I will be posting, so just be on the look for those. And make sure you have turned on post notifications so now you don't miss anything that's happening. But I'll see you guys on the next one, and don't forget to subscribe and drop a like down below.